Well, neighbors in Van Nuys fed up. They've been hearing this loud horn blaring on a regular basis, and the homeowner has admitted to causing the disturbance. KCAL's Jeff Nguyen with more on why.
The train horn blares as workers next door to this Van Nuys home on Peach Avenue cover their ears. The noise drawing Bernarda Phipps out of her home again.
Huh?
What goes through your mind when you hear that?
I mean, I don't even know what to say about it.
Phipps and her neighbors say this annoying behavior has been going on for the past couple of weeks. Not just the train horn strapped to a palm tree, but the home alarm on top of it. Gary Boyadzian is the homeowner.
Can you understand why your neighbors are so upset with you?
I would. I'll be upset too if I were in their condition.
Neighbors have made numerous complaints to LAPD. On Wednesday, officers were sent here twice. The second time, Boyadzian wasn't home. Captain Christopher Zine says part of the issue is when officers show up, the horn isn't sounding.
In accordance with California law, a misdemeanor not committed in the officer's presence leaves them very limited with the options that they can take for enforcement.
Boyadzian says he's been trying to get the LAPD's attention for about 12 years because he says he's been the target of harassment and assault, but he says police won't help him.
I'm sorry to my neighbors. I do sincerely apologize, but my life is on the line. I got no other choice. I don't know what else to do.
He couldn't show us proof of any police reports to support his claim, and he says he was assaulted just a few days ago.
You mentioned that you were beat up by 4 guys.
Right.
Are there any injuries? I don't see any scratches on you.
They never even got to drop me on the floor. I was standing on 2 feet the whole time. There's bruise on my back, my ear, my head, back of my head is swollen. I feel it because when I touch it.
I feel bad for him, honestly. You know, he's getting all this attention, but is he really solving his problem? I don't know.
The LAPD says a citation has been issued and it'll be up to the city attorney's office to decide on any penalty. In the meantime, the captain says he has increased patrols and other resources to this area. In Van Nuys, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL News.